Hey guys, welcome back. For those of you who are new here, my name is Brittany. I'm a health coach and nutritionist, and my channel is all about helping you to create delicious low FODMAP meals to improve your digestive health. If you're into it, go ahead and subscribe for more low FODMAP recipe tutorials, as well as my tips and tricks for living a low FODMAP lifestyle. Okay, so today I am going to show you how to make baba ganoush pasta salad. This recipe is gluten-free, dairy-free, and low FODMAP. So we are going to be using the baba ganoush that we made in my last video. So I'm not going to go through the whole recipe again. So if you haven't seen that video, you're going to want to go back and watch that one first. So my feelings on pasta salad is that it's a very relaxed sort of recipe. Nothing needs to be like super like on measurement. It's all like made to your liking. So I kind of wanted to make like a stripped down video and recipe for you guys this week. And then I have a pound of chicken tenderloins here. I'm not sure if I want to use all of them, but I'm going to cook them all up and then we'll see how we feel about it. Okay, so we're going to start with some salt and pepper. These tenderloins are very thin, so I'm not going to salt them as much as I would a chicken thigh or a thicker piece of meat like that, because we are going to salt the other side as well. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of coriander on here because we're going to use some cilantro in our dish. And for those of you who don't know, coriander is actually, it's ground up cilantro seeds. So that's why they pair really well together. And then I just want to put like a little bit of cayenne pepper to add a little bit of heat because we did use cayenne in our baba ganoush, which was so good. Oh my God. Jeff does not like eggplant, but he said that it is the best baba ganoush he's ever had. So I don't know if you guys agree with that, but let me know in the comments. Okay, so that was about 1/8 of a teaspoon. All right, now let's go sear these, and we're also going to boil our pasta. Okay, so we've got some water boiling over here in a large pot. We're gonna add our gluten-free pasta to that. Today I'm going to be using tinkyada, my favorite, but you can use any gluten-free noodle that you like. That's also low FODMAP, be careful on that. So that's going to be pastas that are made out of legumes, like edamame or lentil, things like that. So yeah, any pasta that is gluten-free and low FODMAP, but that is also a short noodle. Okay, so we're just going to cook those according to package instructions. Over here we have our cast iron that we're going to heat up. I did season this earlier, so we don't need much oil. I'm going to add a little bit. And now we're just going to sear these tenderloins. Okay, our pasta's just about done. I'm gonna go strain this over the sink and I'll see you guys over there. All right, so here we have our pasta that has been drained and rinsed according to the package directions. If you guys are using tinkyada, you definitely wanna be rinsing it. It's way too starchy without rinsing it, okay? So now here we have our baba ganoush, and I'm just gonna add So let's see, that was probably like 1.5 cups. Again, like I was saying, pasta salad is it's very personal, very customizable. If you want it to be like a little bit of a wetter pasta salad, add more baba ganoush. And I think this is a great way to eat baba ganoush and still keep it low FODMAP because the amount of eggplant that you're actually consuming in this form is going to be minimal when compared to like actually eating the baba ganoush as a dip, and you still get all that like great flavor. Okay, I think this is good enough for me. We'll see if I want to add a little bit more later. I also like to make sure that whenever I'm making pasta salad, I dress the noodles first and then add the rest of the toppings, because you want to dress primarily the noodles, right? Because that's what's like dry. Okay, next we're going to be adding some cherry tomatoes. The low FODMAP serving size of cherry tomatoes is 5, but since we are also eating eggplant, I'm gonna do 3 per person. And this serves 4 people. So that's what, 12 tomatoes. All right, go ahead and cut these in half and throw them in. If your stomach is really sensitive at the moment and you find it hard to break down raw veggies, then you can go ahead and sear these tomatoes in a pan really quick and then add them in. Next, we're going to be adding some green onion, about 2 tablespoons, and then some cilantro. You could also use parsley in this dish if that's what you have, or if you don't like cilantro. If you really love mint also, like from the last dish with the tabbouleh, and you wanted to add mint, I mean, go for it. I don't see why not. But I've never tried that, so. But I'm just not a mint person. Okay, so we're gonna throw those in. Actually, let's save a little bit for the garnish. Okay, I don't think I want to use all of this chicken because I'm just not like super feeling meat right now. So these are all the small ones though. Okay, so let's cut half of them. So we're gonna do half a pound of chicken. Ooh, that's like the perfect amount of spice. Okay. Okay, I kind of want I don't like to mix it up too much after I put in the toppings because all of the toppings just like fall to the bottom, you know? Okay, so here I have some feta and I'm just gonna break it up over the top. You wanna make sure you're using feta that's in a block. You don't wanna use one that is already like pre-broken up because they put anti-caking agents in there, and preservatives are like one of the main thing that is messing with your digestive health. So I want to finish this off with just a few Kalamata olives and the rest of our herbs. And there we go. Done. All right, guys. I was tasting this and I decided I wanted to finish it off with a little bit of lemon. Needed a little tang. I also forgot to check for salt. Before I threw in all the toppings, I should have tested it when I tossed in the baba ganoush in the beginning. Whoops, mistakes happen in the kitchen. It's okay, you just make it work. Add some pepper too. We are gonna have to toss this, which sucks, because it looks so pretty, but oh well. Very good, needs a little bit more on this side. I mean, now is typically when I would taste it, but I mean, I just kind of tasted it already, but let's get a bite with a little bit of everything. See, now I feel like there's not enough feta on this side. And that's exactly why I don't like to toss it after I add in the toppings, but oh well. Super good. I love using the baba ganoush to dress the pasta salad because you're really not consuming that much mayo. Like that's I love a pasta salad, but that's the thing. Like I eat so much mayo and I try to cut it down where I can. So yeah, this was my solution to that. All right, guys, there you have it. Low FODMAP, gluten-free, dairy-free. Wait, no, not dairy-free. There's feta in there, but possibly dairy-free. Baba ganoush pasta salad. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to this video. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more low FODMAP recipe tutorials. It really helps me out when you give this video a like. And please share this video with somebody who has stomach issues and loves food, because I feel like that's exactly who we are here in this community on this channel. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you next time.